Welcome Art 8. This video is going to discuss the art materials that are required for this course. I have already pre-bagged all of your course materials in this large Ziploc bag. If you have not received this bag yet, or you have no idea what I'm talking about, please message me and let me know, and we can schedule a time for you to come pick it up at the school. With that said, for those who do have it, please make sure you continue to keep it in a safe place, since you are required to use these materials throughout the course of this class. Any materials that become lost or broken or can't be used, I can't guarantee a replacement. So please make sure you hold on to that, because I doubt your parents or guardians want to spend that extra money buying supplies that were basically given to you for free. Okay, so I just want to go over the contents of the bag so you know exactly what materials should be in there and what materials we're going to be using. You should have a bottle of Elmer's glue in there. You'll need that for your cardboard relief project. And here are 4 sheets of cardboard you'll use to measure and cut to make your relief. A relief is a artwork that rises up from the surface, and we are going to do that with the cardboard. The only material I can't give you for that project are a pair of scissors. You will need to use a pair of scissors from around home. They can't give you anything sharp like that in this bag to take home. You also have just a regular number 2 pencil and this white eraser. I highly recommend using the white eraser when erasing any kind of pencil drawing. The pink eraser on the end of your pencil can burn out pretty quickly, so you'll save yourself a lot of time and frustration using this white eraser there. You'll also find a bag of oil pastels. What's important to note about this is that inside there are 2 additional materials that are separate from the pastels. You will find it's the rectangular block of why can I think of the word charcoal, and you'll also have a thin stick of charcoal in here as well. So please make sure you set these aside, because you will need these for your figure drawing project. We're going to be drawing the human figure, the human body, using charcoal. These are not pastels, but they're put in the same bag to prevent any kind of smearing on your other materials possible, because it can get pretty messy. I already have some black dust on my fingers here from it. All right. Then lastly, last couple things, you have a block of clay for your abstract sculpture project. You'll be needing that. You also will have, I believe, around 10 sheets of regular drawing paper for your various projects and even sketches that you'll be making to plan for those projects. And the very last thing is actually needed for the very first project we're going to do. These are just 5 by 5 inch squares that you're going to need for our collaborative art project. More will be explained in the coming lesson, but please make sure you hold on to all of these, because you will need these all for the various units that we're going to complete. All right, that's it for this video. Again, please make sure you keep your materials safe, make sure you use them safely, and message me if you have any questions about the materials. Other than that, I look forward to seeing you all in class, and I can't wait to see what really neat projects we all make together. All right, guys, see you in class. Bye.